the World Water Day 2021. This day is celebrated on 22 March. The day yesterday we celebrated this year, and I also posted the important information related to this on my other platform. So do check my description box. Here I am providing the link and the name of my other platform so that you can join that platform and see the importance of different things which I am posted every day on that platform. So join that platform and see what you can know different things, and watch this video till end so that I can deliver the whole information related to this day. I will deliver the importance of water, significance and the theme of this year. So do like, share and subscribe this platform so that you can check all the important information related to other things. So let's start the video. So here I am providing the logo, that is World Water Day मार्च 22 को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. ओके, so move on to next slide. Water is very important part of our life. As we all know, water is very important and essential part of our life. Without water we cannot survive. So right from drinking to cleaning and other purposes, it plays an imperative role in our day-to-day life. So it is true that water is very beneficial for different things like drinking, cleaning, washing, everything you can imagine. It is very important to save water for our present as well as for our future generation. While many of us are privileged to have running water 24/7, there is a major chunk of the world that does not have access to any amount of water, let alone clean water. So we are very lucky, or we have a very privileged life that we cannot face any kind of difficulties, because in different part of our state or other sector where people do not have water to drink. So it is very important for us to save the water so that anyone who want water or this resource can have it and use the resource very well. Okay, move on to next slide. The theme of World Water Day 2021 is valuing water. So the theme of this year is very important. In different exams, government exams, they will ask you what was the theme of World Water Day 2021. So the theme is valuing water, means value करनी चाहिए water की. Water's multifaceted nature lends itself to be used in various ways, right from our household chores to industry. So water is very useful and it is used for different things, right from our household activities to the industries. Everywhere water is very important. A part of the sustainable development goal is to provide water and sanitation for all. So there are different sustainable development goals in which it is also available that we have to provide water and sanitation for all. While we are yet to achieve it, this makes it all the more imperative to the preserve water. So very important part, and it also important to make more imperative to preserve water so that we can use the water in a very systematic way and save our water to our future generation. Okay, move on to next slide. So guys, please do comment on the comment box how you like my videos and the presentation, because this presentation require a lot of hard work and I'm doing that. So please tell the other things related to this video on the comment box. Okay, the significance of this day is simple altogether. With the kind of world we are living in, our resources are on the verge of depletion. So the significance of this day is very important, that we have to be all together, that our world is facing different kinds of depletion of resources. So we have to come together and save our resources. Thanks to the atrocities inflicted on the environment, sustainability is a concept that everyone needs to be get a grasp of. It is not too late for the people to act upon it and save an important resource. So it is not too late that people are not understanding the importance of water. They use water in a chore way. So please save the water and use the water as soon as it is required, so that the other person also use the resource. So it is very important that people come together, know the importance of this resource and save the water so that everyone can use this resource in a systematic way. Move on to next slide. On the occasion of World Water Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the Jal Shakti Abhiyan. So this is very important that on this day, that is 22 March, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the Jal Shakti Abhiyan. So he will launch the Jal Shakti Abhiyan, Catch the Rain campaign in a video conference event. So due to COVID-19, it is not possible to come and deliver the thing. So by the video conference, Mr. Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, will launch the Jal Shakti Abhiyan. Catch the rain means the rainwater is also very important if we save this water. Okay, during the event, the government of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh will sign a memorandum of agreement with the Jal Shakti Ministry of starting the Ken Betwa link project. So the government of Uttar Pradesh and the Madhya Pradesh will sign the MOU agreement with Jal Shakti Ministry start the Ken Betwa link project. So ये इन दोनों के बीच में project link sign होगा. Okay, the project according to the PMO statement is focused on carrying water from surplus area to those that are water carried by the interlinking rivers. So प्रोजेक्ट का मेन एम ये है कि इट इज़ फोकस ऑन कैरिंग वाटर मीन्स जहाँ पे वाटर ज़्यादा है वहाँ से कैरी करके जहाँ पे वाटर की कमी है वहाँ पे इंटरलिंक किया जाए रिवर्स के साथ ताकि वहाँ पे भी वाटर को पहुँचाया जा सके, वाटर को डिलीवर किया जा सके. ओके, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video is very important and useful. Please guys, use the different resources and in a systematic way so that everyone use this resource, because everyone have the right to use this resource. So use the resource in a systematic and your need so that all we can save this resource for our present as well as our future life. And the most important part is water is very important of our life. So save this resource as soon as you can. Okay, so watch this video. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel so that you can see all the update of this platform. So do like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. So have a good day and keep learning. Bye.